I got this Wonderskin, y'all. Look, I don't wear makeup except for lipstick. That's it. That's all I wear. So I looked for the one that was the most purple I could find. And I got Bella. They actually sent this to me to try, so I've not opened it. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to get the little... Hang on. Okay, I got the plastic wrap off. Let me put my hair back. You know I like purple. I'm not even gonna lie, I can't see really well doing this. So I'll be going back and forth. Alright, I heard the more you put on, if it would be this color, I would love it. But the more you put on, or the applications, the darker it gets. So let's go. I'll have to look in the mirror. Oh, I don't know if I'm supposed to do that. I bet I'm not supposed to get there either. It's my first time, y'all, okay? Ooh. Alright, let's let this sit a few seconds. Okay, it's been a few seconds and it feels dry to me. So it says take a damp cloth or something, tissue, and wipe it away from one side to the other. So let's do this. Okay. Oh. Okay, you can see it, but I'm going to do it again. And I'm hoping I can really find some purple, like in plum, eggplant color. Oh, can't see there. I wonder if you cake it on, if that will be better. Oh, I still don't know if I'm supposed to do that. Okay, let's let this, wait, I'm gonna put some more on right there. You know, go big or go home. Let's let this dry. Alright, this was the second coat, so let's wipe it off. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do it 3 times. But you can already see it. That's pretty cool. It's not gonna come off. Alright, make sure my lips are dry. Let's go for round 3, y'all. Get up there. Gotta get them peaks and valleys, you know that. Alright, how's that look? Alright, that's 3. So let's let this dry. This was the 3rd application, so let's get this off and see what happens. Sweet! I know y'all can see that's cool. Alright, because I like shiny and I like for it to feel moisture, I'm going to put this on top of it. Look at that. I love it. And it's not going to get all over my grandbabies when I kiss all over them, because I do that and it looks like they have bruises sometimes. So, but it's not. Okay, I'm going to say this is a win. I'm going to have to get some more colors and try it. Simple to use. Going to last for a long time.